Point number 2. Land area and real estate expansion. Somalis are expansionists by nature, and their footprint in Kenya is massive. I'm not even addressing the fact that almost a third of Kenya's total land area is Somali inhabited land. Go to almost every city and town in Kenya, from Mombasa, Nakuru, Eldoret, Kisumu, Kitale to the far and remote town of Maua in Meru County. You will see them. If you go to Isli neighborhood of Nairobi City, you might be mistaken for being in Mogadishu. The place has even been nicknamed Little Mogadishu. Go to Pangani, Westlands, South C, South B, Langata, and Kilimani, and you will see entire blocks of apartments full of Somali people. Skyscrapers are springing up in Isli overnight, transforming the city's skyline. Somalis are buying land and properties at an astonishing rate, making them key players in Kenya's real estate market. Point number 3. Economic growth. Do you know the biggest mall in East and Central Africa, the BBS Mall, is actually Somali owned? This place is a shopping paradise where you can find everything from clothes to electronics at unbeatable prices. These guys have not come to play. You want to buy clothes, textiles for cheap? Where do you think is the best place to go? Your guess is correct. Isli. This Somali commercial district in the heart of Nairobi has it all at very affordable prices. 2020 UN Development Program report estimated that Isli generates over 50 billion Kenyan shillings, contributing to 3 to 5% of Nairobi's GDP. It's still not clear how these Somali businesses manage to sell their stuff for so cheap. Some say they use the black market to evade taxes. I guess it's because of the sheer business acumen of these guys. What do you think? Wherever you go in Nairobi, you'll notice Somali featured prominently on billboards promoting various businesses. Their presence is a testament to their entrepreneurial spirit and significant role in the city's economy. Even Uber drivers will tell you Somali customers are some of their best clients. Somalis in Nairobi tend to be entrepreneurial and have additionally cultivated a reputable image due to their honesty, and by this I mean the avoidance of haram acts such as cunning, hoarding, etc. in business dealings. Point number 4. Population growth. Recently, the census figures for NFD counties were nullified. Why? It is alleged the figures presented by the national government were actually less than the actual figure on the ground. The community, even with the moderated and smoothed out population results, had a total population of 2.3 million, according to the 2009 census. It is estimated that there might be 6 million now, and I'm being conservative. This could make them the 4th largest tribe in Kenya. One aspect about Somalis is how big their families are. Somali couples are destroying their beds at an alarming rate because of what? It is serious. Pastoralist communities in Kenya, Somali included, have the highest birth rates. Their large families and the high birth rates are stark contrast to declining numbers in central Kenyan tribes like the Kikuyu. Some Kenyans are getting nervous. Maybe it's time to step up their game in the bedroom department. Somali is in fact their fastest growing community in Kenya. At the current rate, they might be the majority in a few years to come. It's not a question of if, but when. Number 5. Cultural and media influence. Lastly, Somali artists and media personalities have permeated the Kenyan entertainment industry in a very powerful way. Open Kenya's TikTok and you will meet young Kenyans of Somali origin there. From TikTok sensation Bushra to comedian Nasra, who's a regular on Churchill Live, Somali Kenyans are making waves. Idita Case is a very famous rapper of Somali origin who grew up in Kenya. Same goes for Lil Balil. Do you know there is even a Kenyan Somali drill rapper? His name is Bueno, and this guy can spit rhymes. The YouTube comedy group Somali React is obviously Somali, but also Kenyan. In journalism, top anchors like Leila Mohammed, Ayub Abdikadir, Jamila Mohammed, and Hussein Mohammed are revolutionizing the industry. So, are Somalis taking over Kenya? Maybe not in the way some might fear, but their influence is undeniable. Whether you see it as a takeover or simply a testament to their resilience and ambition, one thing is clear: Somalis are here to stay. What do you think?